Here is the question on the region, question 20. On the grid below, shade the region that represents this inequality. So first of all, let's show all the values of x's that will be less than 5. First of all, let's find all x's that will be equal to 5. All x's equal to 5 will be here, right? So on this line, x equals to 5 on this line. But because we will be looking for all values of x that less than 5, look, any point on the left side will have all the x's. Look, pick up any point, the x's will be less than 5, true? All these x's are less than 5. And it doesn't matter where the point is going to be on the x-axis, or say for example this point. This point has x coordinate 4, which is less than 5 because it is on the left from the line x equals 5. This point has x equals 2, which is also less than 5. This point has x minus 3, which is less than 5. So all these points on the left will be what we're interested on. One thing is important. We don't want to include all x's that are equal to 5. So on your graph, you have to show that with a dotted line, okay, somehow to show that you are not including x equals 5. So you either draw the line dotted immediately, or you need just, rub out some points, and you do need to label this line x equals 5. So please remember that we're interested in all points on the left from the line. Okay, now the next one, y more or equal than minus 2. First of all, let's find the line y equals minus 2. Y equals minus 2 is here, and so we will draw the line y equals 2. Again, look at whether y is included. Yes, it is included. You see, it's more or equal than minus 2. So therefore the line will be full. And we're interested in all y's that go up. They have y more than y equals minus 2, right? So y more, oh sorry, we need to write y equals minus 2. Y minus equal to minus 2, because we can label the line only, and we're interested in all points that also above the line. Now y minus x less or equal than 1. So first of all, we need to draw the line y minus x equals 1. You can just, if you prefer, you can move that x to the other side and to draw the line y equals x plus 1. That is quite easy. Let's pick up a couple of points. If x is 0, then 0 plus 1 is 1. So one point will be 0, 1. Another point, say for example 10. If x is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. Oh, 11 is beyond, not good. So let's pick up, say for example 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 is somewhere here, isn't it? So 8, 9. Or say 5, 6, something like that. Okay, 3, 4, and so on. So we need to draw this line. Is the line is included? Yes, it is included. I would like to have one more line point, minus 3, minus 2. So that would be helpful. Okay, so now we need to draw the line. Okay, that is the line, and this line has equation y minus x equals 1. Okay, we're interested in all points that are below the line, because we're interested in all points that not on the line but below. Okay, so do you remember we've been interested in all points that on the left from x equals 5, above y equals minus 2, and less than y minus x equals 1. So therefore we're actually interested in all the points in this triangle, and we need kind of carefully to shade it somehow. Shade it, so something like that. Okay, try to be accurate here and use pencil, obviously. Alright, check that your lines can be seen clearly. Once you're happy, you even can use a pen if you want to. Okay, make sure that it's absolutely clear that you're not including this line, because otherwise it will be a mistake. Okay, it will be marked as wrong. So here's the region that each point in this region satisfies to each of this condition. For each point inside of this region, x's are less than 5. At the same time, their y's are more than -2, and y minus x is less or equal than 1. Okay, you can pick up any point and you can just see that any point will satisfy to each of them these conditions. So this question is done. Let's do the next one. Question 21. We are at level 6 now. This question is clearly about completing the square. We have a general quadratic. We need to figure out the a and b, and we've been given completed square form. So everything we have to do is just to open everything. It's really easy question. Okay, you need just to open everything and then compare coefficients once it is in normal standard form, and just that is going to give you a and b. Okay, or if you know how to, like, really well, you understand completing the square, then you will see that this is 4. Okay, because whatever you have here will be double of product of these two terms. But we can just simply open the brackets. All right, x plus 2 squared minus 9. X plus 2 squared is x plus 2 times x plus 2 minus 9. X times x, x squared. X times 2, 2x. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 9. X squared. 2x plus 2x, 4x minus 5. Right? So now please compare with the quadratic they gave us, x squared plus ax plus b. Can we see now what a and b are going to be? Look at this and look at this. All right, so can you see that now our a is 4 and our b is -5. That is the end of the question.